Oh, there we go. It's finally got relief.
Right there.
I can't be down again.
Oh shit.
I don't know what you're surprising us with.
It's really hard to use.
Even still happy. Remember.
Ugh.
I'm done.
I can't be down the cup.
No, no way.
Oh my god. Oh no, it's stuck.
He gag a little bit. Gobbling and dick, that's what that sounded like.
Does it really?
Crying. I'm
Hold on, I
crying.
think you should clip it.
Yes.
I'm doing.
Oh yeah.
You are Down syndrome. Yo! That was fucking disgusting!
Maybe you should burp to show him his balls.
Let us understand, my friend.
Yeah, we did, bitch.
You can kill yourself.
Suck on it. Oh my god.
In 2025.
Mama.
That's such a waste of time. That's all I have.
I have Venus.
Actually, better.
Use a body like Hulk's even more.
But you're gonna be.
Oh my god.
Bro, I've just done.
How about?
Oh,
Oh my god.
that had so much bass and beef to it that I'm actually surprised you didn't
Actually,
come up.
some game of like fucking.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I wanna
Well, we
suck
can play
on
whatever
it.
then. Go on, just.
Shut up. Oh my god. I was laughing because you're.
Shut up, bitch.
Oh my god, this game is so far.
No.
Bro, I'm like, you guys are.
Go on, mate.
Yes, everybody but me.
But you are shit.
Mood all changed. I've got a.
Spike run.
Yo.
Don't
Oh
like red
my
ball
god.
Hey, down, bro, back.
Pussy gas. Oh my god.
Is it the.
Oh my god.
I ranked up, guys. Yippee!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Eat my ass.
Whoa.